Here at the Decker Power Plant, we have been doing everything we possibly can to just provide the best, most reliable energy for everyone here, not only in the city of Austin, but across the state of Texas. We felt like, this is the first time we've actually felt in our lives that we were like first responders. And because it was that important. We needed that power. Everyone needed that power.
It was tough. It was a task with all the snow, the ice, the power lines, the water. This was very challenging, very dangerous work. And nobody got hurt.